In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag layers in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move clips where you want them on the timeline and how to control which layers appear on top, so your edits look clean and intentional. Start by opening CapCut. When the editor loads, you'll see the timeline at the bottom and your media panel at the side. If your timeline feels cramped, use the timeline zoom slider to zoom in. This makes it easier to grab the right clip and place it precisely, especially when you're working on short transitions or tight cuts. Next, add your video and image to your project. You can bring media into CapCut by importing it to your media panel or by dragging files directly from your computer into the editor. Once your files appear in the media panel, drag your main video down to the timeline. Then drag your image into the timeline as well. If you want that image to appear on top of the video, like a logo, watermark, or picture-in-picture, place it on a track above the video clip. If you want it behind or underneath, place it on a track below. The order of tracks vertically determines what you see in the final frame, with the higher track visually sitting on top. To drag a clip, click and hold the left mouse button on the clip itself and move it. Dragging left or right adjusts timing, so you can slide a clip earlier or later to sync with music, dialogue, or other visuals. You'll notice the clip snaps to the playhead and to the edges of other clips, which helps you align things quickly. If you need finer control, zoom in a bit more on the timeline before you move it. Be careful not to grab only the edge of the clip. The cursor changes near the edge, and that gesture trims instead of moves. If you see the edge highlight, move your mouse slightly toward the center and try again. Dragging vertically changes the layer order. Click and hold, then move the clip up to place it over another track, or down to send it behind. This is how you decide whether an image overlays the video or sits beneath it. After you drop the clip in place, use the playhead to preview and confirm the result. That's all you need to drag layers confidently in CapCut. Open the editor, add your video and image, then click, hold, and move clips to refine timing and order. Practice these moves a few times, and you'll notice your edits become faster and more precise.